Here's how I created this smooth animation just using Canva. Let's recreate this magic within few minutes. Open Canva and go to social media tabs and select Instagram Reels format. Go to elements and search food plate. Click photo and choose any plate you want. I'll choose this one also. Decrease the size of all the plates and align to the middle of the page. Select first plate. Go to edits. Click shadow. Choose glow. Increase the blur amount to 70. Decrease the intensity to 30. Go to animation section, drag down and select rotate. Select the second plate, go to edits again and repeat this process with all the plates. Select all the plates one by one and group, rotate 90 degree, place it to the top side of the page, increase the size, go to elements and choose the square, and fill the bottom side page with this square. Type your text. Change the color to white. Change the font to Brighten. Duplicate the text and type your second text. Decrease the line spacing. Rotate it a little bit. Go to effect and select lift effect. Go to elements again, then click shapes and select this banner square. Change the color to white. Decrease the transparency to around 50. Group the text. Duplicate the square and adjust. Duplicate again. Duplicate. Select the squares one by one and group. Adjust the size. Upload the square again. Change the color to white and create a Order Now button. Type the text Order Now. Change the color Add text and type your website name or brand name. Change color to white. Go to effect and select lift effect. Increase the intensity. Increase the letter spacing to 800 and place it to the top of the page. Change the color. Go to elements again. In recently used element, upload all the plates you used. Decrease the size of all the plates and adjust. Increase the first plate size. And duplicate the page and drag the slide to second plate. Change the color. Decrease the first plate size and increase the second plate size. Duplicate the second page. Drag the slide to third plate. Change the color. Decrease the second plate size. Increase a little bit size of third plate. Duplicate the third page and drag the slide to fourth plate. Change the color. Decrease the third plate size and increase the fourth plate size. Let's add the transition. Go to transition and select match and move. Increase the duration and apply all the page. Change the time to 3 seconds and apply all the pages. And here is the final result. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe for more.